Could a single strategy revitalize your YouTube channel? Sharon found success with a simple technique that elevated all of her thumbnails. Here's the thing, I'm a thumbnail critiquer. I can't help myself. I see a thumbnail and I immediately think, how can I make it better? When I show you the page, you're going to be like, she doesn't need help. What do you think, Sharon?
Could always improve, and I think I do need help.
As soon as I went into it, I'm like, you've got some great action shots. What if we use that instead? If you have like an action type channel and you've got great aesthetic in your videos, then you could probably use these tips on yours too. Here are some of Sharon's thumbnails that she graciously sent me. What do you think could be improved upon
Well,
here?
it's all over the place. There's not one focus. And it's like there's a graphic, and then there's a photo, and then there's an image with the background removed. It's just kind of all over the place.
Let me find that video. Here it is. You created this video 10 months ago. What I'm doing is scrubbing through, and I want to go ahead and mute that so that I don't hear anything and see if there's anything that we could do probably towards the end. Oh.
So I actually have some of those as a photo. So I could actually use that photo as opposed to like a screen grab. So that's something that would be, even just helpful to hear, you say, oh, that's really a good one.
So this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 3 images as a screenshot. What I would do with that picture maybe is do something like that, and maybe you wouldn't have the crumbs and stuff in there, right? Maybe you could take
Right.
magic eraser, see if we can clean this up a little bit, because you never know. It could work.
I mean, strategically.
Continue. Oh, I clicked magic edit, not magic eraser. I get really quiet when I'm editing. Okay, so now we've got this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see the full live stream of this video, because it was 60 minutes and you see this is not 60 minutes. So I cut out a lot of stuff and a lot of education moments that you might find helpful. I'm thinking maybe for this one using the words, but then I'm not sure.
Line it up.
And I would take this, line it up to the left.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Something like that. Let's duplicate it. You could use this shot instead.
Yeah.
Something like that with no words on it. And maybe click edit photo and do like a little auto adjust on it to make the picture look better.
Yeah.
I would do the same thing here.
I see. Yeah.
Would this be better? Would that be better than this?
Yep.
Oh, there's another. That one would be good too. Look at this.
That's my mom's plate. She made that.
I would go with this one.
Yeah.
With the auto adjust. And I would take this. We're going to download this one. And we're going to pop over here to apps and look up. Actually, it's this one. It's called Enhancer. We're going to open that up and we are going to enhance this file. So we're going to choose File, go to Download, update that, and Enhance Image. And basically what it's doing is it's going to upscale it and it's going to give you a better picture. Add. So it enhanced this image by 500%. So I'm going to get rid of that, add that to design, make it bigger. It's going to look really, really crummy to start. After the saving does what it does, it's going to clear up nicely. In the midst of our creative journey, Sharon has an amazing breakthrough aha moment. Then I'll let you have a peek behind the curtain to turn an action shot that's not quite the right size into something extraordinary. All right. What
Well, the
else?
Trader Joe's haul, I don't know if there's anything in there that would be interesting. Try and think about. I'm definitely going to think about more the shot as I'm filming, like where is the action shot that would be really good so that I can maybe capture it as a photograph versus a video where then I would take a screen grab. So just going through this exercise with you, Jennifer, it's kind of got me thinking a little bit more along the lines of like the natural kind of shot that might be interesting and just having these thoughts in my head now. Whereas before I was like just thinking, okay, the plated shot is going to be the money shot when really there could be an action shot that's going to be capture more interest. And
For this one, I decided since you may not be comfortable like showing your face, maybe showcasing a specific product from that
Trader Joe's.
Trader
Yeah.
Joe's haul might work out in your favor. So I'm going to do a little magic, edit photo, magic, expand to the top, because I think this one will be a good candidate for that. Might even be able to
Mm-hmm,
blur the background a little bit
mm-hmm.
for this picture. Having the shot, let's see here. Oh, that one's good.
It's funny here as you're doing this, I'm thinking just about when I think of a haul or whatever, like kind of like, oh, you want to kind of show a lot of the things that people are going to see. You capture something of somebody's interest, but the problem is if you show a whole bunch of things, it gets lost. It doesn't translate. But if you show one thing, you think, oh, well, that's one thing. But then what are the other things? So like this.
I don't know if you saw what I did. I went to blur the
Oh,
background just a
okay.
little bit. Feel like your content isn't measuring up. It's a recipe. I'm laughing at my own pun. It's a recipe for disaster. Sharon actually had the perfect action shot for this next thumbnail, but she doubted it. My response made us laugh for days. These need, let them
No,
eat
that
cake,
just I just
Sharon.
pulled. I just started doing that. The one that I liked the most is 83. I think that was one where it would have been cool to have a good action shot, but I don't.
Don't have a good action shot, my honey.
I
Look at
don't
what is
know.
that? What is this? And don't have a good action. What is that, Sharon? Wait, did I just sound like Sean
Sort
Cannell?
of.
Stop it,
Oh,
Sharon.
right, the way they
Stop
say,
it,
yeah,
Stacy. It looks like your nose.
it does look like me.
All right,
Yeah,
well, we
look at
got
that.
one action shot. Oh, oh, oh.
You have such a good eye for this. You really do.
All right, we're going to go with these two. I did a little screenshot, which for those of you that don't know, don't ask me how to do it because I press a little button on my Stream Deck.
On my computer, I do Shift Alt 4, and
Mine
that does
is
it.
like,
Yeah.
I'm going to look it up. Why? Shift Windows S. So I just press a button on my Stream Deck and it will do the shot. So that looks pretty good.
Hmm.
We could
I-
even go in
yeah.
a little bit like this.
Yeah, that looks better
And there's
actually.
your shot, edit photo. We're going to click adjust. It made some adjustments. And
Hmm.
then here's one with you in it.
That's a fun photo.
It is a pretty fun photo.
And my hair doesn't look as miserable as it usually does.
Let's see if we can adjust the foreground
Uh-huh.
only.
Oh, I didn't know you could do this foreground and background thing.
Yep. Some sharpness from the background. It doesn't do a whole lot, but
Yeah.
let's see if we can magic expand this. Whole
Hmm.
page. No.
There's nothing there to magic expand.
No, there is.
There is. Okay.
But I just meant to have you over a little more.
Hmm.
But I've got an idea for that.
That does look better.
Done. Oh,
Hmm.
didn't it did a little extra.
Mhm.
But let's magic grab and see what it magic grabs and see if we can scoot you over a little bit.
Oh, interesting. Oh, wow.
And then
When you're good, you're good.
you could add some text on it that
Uh-huh.
says banana cake or wait, what was it? Cookie
It's an
cake?
icebox cake is what it is.
You could add your text right there if you wanted.
Yeah.
Are you curious if Sharon actually followed through with updating her YouTube channel? She did. Less than a day later, she updated most of her thumbnails. And even better, in about 10 days, she went from having 870 subscribers to having that elusive 1,000 subscriber mark. Best part, she's still growing. Join me in the next video to uncover the simple strategy that will transform your channel if you have words on your thumbnail. See you next time. Bye.